The HealthSmart Gateway Rollator is your ticket to freedom, a fashionable and functional choice in mobility. The HealthSmart Rollator offers style and durability to keep you on the go with a large removable storage tote. The Rollator folds down to half the size of most standard rollators and offers premium features. With ergonomic hand grips and built-in cane holder, this ultra-lightweight design makes it easy to turn, fold and lift. So lightweight you can take it anywhere with ease. Whether you're at home or doing errands around town, the Gateway Rollator is reliable and complements all your daily activities. Large, durable wheels to maneuver on various ground surfaces. Easy-to-use brake handles. Simply push down on brake handle and lock it in place when you decide to park for a while. The HealthSmart Gateway Rollator, a smart choice for good health. We keep you rolling. HealthSmart is more than a name, it's a way of life. Live HealthSmart.